I'm Bert. I'm here with RJ, not my child. RJ, say hi. Yeah, nice. Good one. Just waiting for Christina to come back. What are you holding there, RJ? RJ, what do you think about speed dating? Ah, it doesn't matter. Hi, I'm Bert. I'm here with RJ, not my child. RJ's gonna tell us all about cars. Okay, RJ, who is this? Maters. What's in your mouth? Are you talking while your mouth is full? RJ. I'm Bert. I'm here with RJ. This is our promo for our speed dating workshop. Oh, sorry, not speed dating. We don't have a good name for this workshop. Vivian, what should we call this workshop?
Fast meeting friends who you might date in the I don't know.
Fast and furious.
Fast and furious.
Fast and favorable. Fast and fantastic.
Fast.
I could write a song
Okay.
about the workshop.
Alright, the workshop.
Thankfully, this guitar's in tune. I'd like to tell you about a workshop we're doing at ininetwo. It's a workshop that only works because we need you. 'Cause you might be single and lonely, looking for love here and there. And ininetwo, we care about you, so we have a workshop for you. It's called the workshop, and it's essentially speed dating. You'll talk to different people, then the buzzer will ring, and you will move to the next person. It started out pretty well.